But you say,
okay. Parents now back also they've been depression or medications. Only driving license for 16 years. Money cannot. Next of all, you say, let's just say, I will say this one of them. If it's a man, I will say this one of them.
And it's in a court no action on my swam fine, say, or Muntia, Sanse, or mom play on rule, I say.
Upon a moon, so I can't assume or drive without license. The boy, and send a video speak around. Or drive unregistered vehicles, or drive without license. Cut on one of my on one should be on one should be what's the apple and one teaching?
Yeah, sure, sir.
I saw for me, yes, no way, I suffer. Now you suffer papa. Or bounce is so suffer. Yes, of papa. Suffer papa. Yes, that's it. What's on your guilty? That's only we are this in a social media. Just a one person who needs a man. And now money per life. What's on your guilty? All the 8 charges, on your guilty, including driving without license. So on your guilty. What to be done? There's somebody said, I mean, Friday, prosecutor was able to gather evidence. It's actually by now the depth of the evidence. They had no choice than to make a U-turn and to plead guilty. Since I live from a post, you can talk about no experience here. No experience for this boy to plead not guilty. Now, tell them who say evidence, no, when you had the say, then he made a U-turn. The juvenile system say, yeah, and yet, let's say, a children shop 6 months, and yes, 7 of I said no. Salifu and Amoako, any Lebanese said, Dopa said, more as a one. The one could say,
I want to hear 6 months. 6 months bill. Now, but Obi Korea, Akoko Bakope ahe. Akoko Bakope 4 years o. Akoko, Korea Akoko ni aponche 4 years. Uni binti 4 years. Wakunipa. Reckless driving, wakunipa. Wakuno. Oh yeah, 6 months. The laws of Ghana, I don't know what is it, but this is very funny. No, we are not the families of Ingoforum Kuno say, wow, we leave everything to God. Because Papa didn't say no, can't any be one man. Na who say, oh, Gina Bibisunti no Casa. Oh, can't say, Sabin the band 1 for 2 continue biso. Sakasa we Yankee can. Say, wow, Oshame, so what back no wa. A battery, ya. And you're easy. A woman near a mumu jaria. Kwanada. Ejuma bia baby I will mention away ejuma. Now what it will bear do pe subia yesi anko Canada po just the following week. Na sabi buswedi bia. Me say antiti ni ye. No the car who because only me be. Akolebia ya titi ni ye 16 years you don't drive. Ghana for sikafu no. Papa they don't do that. But ejimi for kakra na woman na sabi o ma bi so ano. Omo na omma excess privileges. Because like away, other 16 years, you are not supposed to drive. The law does not even permit it. Now look at the speed at the point. Even you say constantly he drives like that. So what you say? And because Nyame ato ni papa nsem kakra nti, by virtue of being so fontino, sabe you have the guts to do this. Nyawo for nka na no mo come say Nyame obehwe. Nyame be di asema man. Na wo hwe me fa yesu ade. Se wo bre wo wiase nti wo akola tete ni yie. Enka se ma bre nti me ban so mbre oboa wo ho ambre nka wo nye ye da. Eskafo ma bebre jimi. Nyame pese wo ye nti no do fi ba bi a wo na sabe na ohia dokoro no. Eno ti na wo how to what manage what you have. Eti Nyame to nsem a use the same training to train your child. And masabe oba enfele to say oya on top of the wall ejimiye. Ma wo be hu say ewiase ye won bibia wo pe bia you have to work for it. O yes akola no enyi no onyi ye ni papa. Na o mani who say because I am rich you can do anything and no jimie pro max and no be saying that to nkola no. Yet see am ye ja jimie no. Also for akogina puppet anima o chire obi send your auditing performer I want to meet it no. How do you come and what talk to me about what raising a child when you yourself you don't know how to raise your children? Yes, you don't know how to raise your children. So how do you come and talk to me say Ben raise your child this way? These are all called what we call men of God. They stand in front and the name of miracle say things that they don't even see, and they'll tell you God said, which God told you? No God told you anything. And come say baby now share no way. Let's be careful in life. Now kolane the okobe biema on send Jimmy say ya. Oba power skate Jimmy sa. Now the day of reckoning will come. I expose you HFM Ben Bruce. Also subscribe yet tumpa now sakabi manwesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube.